I'm Andre from Kendall Ford, and I'd like to introduce you to the Ford Expedition Max 2022. Today I'm going to show you a feature that's going to make your life a whole lot easier. The feature I'm going to show you today is how to activate adaptive cruise control and lane centering on the Expedition. The first step is to access the vehicle settings via the center console. So we're going to press the vehicle icon in the upper left-hand corner of the console, and then we're going to go ahead and click the settings button. Once we click settings, we can click driver assistance, and from here we have a range of options that we can configure. We're going to select cruise control, and we're going to switch it from normal to adaptive. Once we've done that, we're going to activate the lane centering feature, and then we're going to activate the lane keeping system, and we're going to select our mode. We're going to activate Alert Plus Aid. The benefit to activating all these options is that you have less variables to control while you're on the road. So you can maintain your speed and you can maintain a center position in your lane without any extra attention from the driver. Feel free to subscribe to this channel, or come down to our showroom on Good Pasture Island Road, or check out our website at kendallford.com. Kendall, let's start something great.